Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I have the new TOZO NC9 Active Noise Cancellation headphones. I can't wait to try these out. These things look really sweet. I'm going to do an unboxing and full review and give you all the information about this product. Let's go ahead and unbox this. It's got a nice little wrap here. We'll go ahead and take that off and then slide this out. Inside, you're going to get your reference manual on how to use it. This thing has a ton of touch controls, which is really nice. Has a QR code if you need it in any other language, and also talks about the app, which we'll go over all that here in just a second. Here's another quick guide for you to be able to set it up exactly how you need to. So inside the box, you're going to get your headphones and the little earbud pieces, and a USB to USB-C connector, which will help charge your device. So first thing we need to do is go ahead and open these up. There's a nice little piece right here that will help you open them up. We'll just go ahead and slide that out of there. There also is a little screen protector right there. Just going to open them up so you can see what they look like. There's one part. There is the second part. And they have little covers over where it charges, which is nice. Go ahead and stick those back down in there. And automatically it shows that it is charging. Inside here will come the different earbuds. So we'll dump those out so you can see all the different options. So you can see that you get 5 different options. You get your cord, and then you get the device with the 2 earbuds. So that's what it all includes, but it also allows you to use an app and a lot of other things. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this thing set up. So if you go into your settings, you're going to go to Bluetooth, and you can go ahead and take out the earbuds, and they will start flashing like they are now. You're going to go ahead and see the TOZO NC9. Go ahead and click on that, and it will automatically connect you to your Bluetooth. So these things are ready to rock and roll, which is great news. There's not a whole lot of setup, very easy to do. Another thing you can do is go to the App Store and then find the TOZO app. Then you can add your device there as well. And there are 32 different presets inside of this with a full tutorial guide on how you can get everything set up. But it just adds a lot to this. It shows you battery. It allows you to select a whole bunch of different things. So I would highly encourage you to get the app. It's very intuitive, and you can see just all of the options that are on there. With those 32 presets, you can balance sound better. You can have stronger bass. You can choose your output how you want it. And it just gives you a lot of flexibility while listening to it. So a couple other features I do want to go over on this device here is that it has active noise canceling. And this is a 3-layer reduction. And so you'll see the graphic on the screen now of the 3 different ways that this thing really helps out. You have the outward facing microphone that detects external sounds and counters them with equal anti-noise to first cancel noise. And then you have the second, the inward facing microphone listens to the inside of the ear canal to pick up internal sounds and produce anti-noise against the twice cancel left ear noise. Then the other thing is it has these ear caps that we have not put, well, there's one set on there, but we've not changed them out. So you can change them out, and that just helps it going into the ear canal and reduces noise. It also has a transparent mode that allows you to be able to wear these things and hear outside noises normally, which is really cool. They also fit in your ear really well. These things just work well going inside of your ear, and so you can put them in. They will stay in. Has multiple sizes to choose from for the earbuds. The other thing I love about this is once you put it in there, you can see it's going to charge your device for you. It shows you 2 different levels on the side. They say this lasts 13 hours with listening time. Just the single charge, then it has up to 27 extra hours of charge time within the device. And it only takes 2 hours with your charger plugged into the wall to be able to charge these things fully and the case as well, which is pretty great. I'm going to go ahead and spend some time using this, and I'll come back to you as soon as I can. I'll probably be about 2 to 3 weeks using these kind of on a daily basis and seeing how I like them. I'll probably also go over some of the smart touch features at that time as well. Okay, I am back. I've been using these for a couple of weeks now, and I'm really loving them. The caps that it came with actually have worked the best for me. I guess it just fits my ear well, but again, you can change those out. One of the other things I like is it has this tap touch technology in it. They call it smart touch, but I like to call it tap because it just feels better when you tap it. And so you get lots of different things. You can play, you can do previous song, you can pause, you can answer phones, you can hang up phones, you can turn up and down volume, which is pretty cool that you have that technology built into the earbuds. I've had an Apple earbuds for a long time and they say they have that, but it doesn't work well. This actually does work very well. I've been very impressed with how well this works. So I really do like the app. You can easily connect to your device. What I found to be good is you can actually change the EQ. And so my EQ is based on kind of rock, then a little extra bass. That's the music that I prefer. And so you get the ability to change out what it actually sounds like. And you can even do more effects if you want to add different things. There's a bunch of different options on here. More bass, less bass. And you just have that ability. I don't feel like I have that on a lot of other devices. And so I really do like that you can tailor it to your preferences. And so my overall opinion on this device is I really like it. I think it has a lot of great features. It feels more compact and just secure than my AirPods were. I do like that it's magnetized. The case feels good too. It's not too bulky. It's not too big. Fits in your pocket well. So overall, I'm a big fan of this product. I hope to continue to be able to use these for hopefully a few more years. The price is really good too. I was really shocked the quality you get with the price. I do like the app as well. There's a number of features in there that I really like. I like that you can change the bass and everything else so easily within the device itself. So overall, if you're looking for a new pair of earbuds, I highly recommend. This is the TOZO NC9, and they seem to be working really great. Can't wait to be able to use these for a few years and continue to give you updates as possible. Let me know how you like them if you did get them, or if you do have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comment section below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day.